Welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today we're making a stuffed crust breakfast pizza that actually is high in protein and pretty darn healthy. Could you make it unhealthy? Sure. Feel free to load on the bacon, the pepperoni, whatever else you want to put on this breakfast pizza, but we're going to make it healthy style and stick it in the air fryer. And this is a recipe that I was targeted with on Facebook, so we'll see if it turns out, you just never know these days. Of course, I was inspired by this song. It's fresh with broccoli. So exciting with cheese sticks. Is that exciting? I don't know, but we're gonna make it anyway. Let's find out if this works. Start with a tortilla of your choosing, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna lay out our cheese sticks just like so, and we're gonna be using 3 toothpicks to put them there, okay? So we're gonna start with this one, and we're gonna roll it up like that. And we're gonna stick our toothpick in like so. And we're going to follow it up with the other cheese sticks, same thing. Rolling it up. Sticking the toothpick in. Go with the last one. You see, I'm already having problems with those toothpicks sort of staying in there, and this is what's going to hold that egg in there, so we really want these to be tight. Okay, let's get that one in. My engineering videographer said, put the toothpick through both sides to hold it better. And look at that, it holds it better. Add in veggies of your choice. I'm using some broccoli here, just a little bit. Get that in there. Okay, don't want too much. Okay, then we're gonna add our egg. I'm wondering how this whole egg is fitting in there. Okay, add the egg in. Okay, say a little prayer or two because I'm not sure how this is gonna turn out. We're gonna add some spices of your choosing. I've got some salt, pepper, and a little bit of parsley. Just a little bit. Spray your air fryer. Okay, we're gonna put the breakfast pizza in there just like so. Okay, here we go. Turn it on and set to 350. We're gonna be in here for about 12 to 15 minutes. Look at this stuffed crust breakfast pizza holding up on totally its own. Let's get a good look at that. Can see those cheese sticks are oozing out and they've got like these crispy edges. Yum! And that egg on top stayed inside. I mean, come on, Facebook, I see you. This looks really good. All right, but it's all in the taste, so let's give it a try. Yum, I haven't even bit into all of this, and I can tell already this is gonna be delicious. And such a great way to get extra protein and vegetables and whatever else you want. And you know what? If you don't want to put cheese sticks in here, you don't have to. You could put sausage links or anything else that you would roll up and stick in here to sort of hold it in this triangle shape. This is so delicious. I will definitely be making this again. I want to know what you're putting in yours. Are you putting bacon on top of yours? Other shredded cheese on top? I mean, again, the possibilities are endless. If I can make this stuffed crust breakfast pizza for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you've seen any products I've used, feel free to check out my Amazon storefront in my bio. And check out my Instagram and TikTok for a whole lot more, like a whole lot.